we sell different varieties of fish in this market. Pangasius, Jumunacos, catfish, tilapia, nine fish, different types of fish.
Today, we are in KADO Fish Market, the largest fish and poultry market in the north central region of Nigeria. Yeah, for people that don't know, fish market is one of the biggest, if not the only biggest fish market in Abuja. The KADO Fish Market is located in the Gwarinpa district immediately after Life Camp Junction. The market has been a cornerstone of Abuja's food supply since 1994. It was established to prevent the disease outbreak caused by selling fish in unhygienic roadside conditions.
Yeah, as you say like this,
Yeah.
we are put on for the dry affairs.
Okay.
Later around like 3 hours to 4 hours. Then
Yes.
now we go come food fire.
Okay.
That time maybe the water way there for the body don't dry.
Oh, okay.
We go food fire like 3 hours to 4 hours. Then now we go come turn am.
You turn it.
Yes.
Okay,
Another
okay.
3 hours to 4 hours again, you go come turn it again.
Wow.
We dey turn am like 3 times.
Then it's ready.
Yes. Then now from now to 8 o'clock in the evening to 9 o'clock in the evening, the thing done ready.
Oh.
Then maybe today we go pack and tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
So it's going to be like this till tomorrow.
As in now, I don't call all the people they buy am from my hand.
Okay.
I tell them say I carry like a 5 rubber. Then tomorrow we go come pack am. Give me money. Now the thing na so I dey do. Wow.
I think people come from different places to get fish here in Life Camp. Life Camp. This KADO is close to Life Camp Junction in Abuja, and this is the largest place where you can get fish, processed fish like this. The market itself is named after its massive production of fish and sales of fish here in Abuja. The market is divided into 5 main sections. They have the frozen fish and the fresh fish section. They also have the dried fish and the smoked fish section, and likewise the agricultural produce segment.
I don't know. We don't see her for free.
It is fascinating to see how each segment operates, contributing to the seamless chain of production and supply that serves not just Abuja but 6 different states within the region. She said she don't want her face to show now, so.
If my face show you, how much will you give me? So you will not turn it like this.
Okay, you're going to turn it like this.
Yes.
After 2 hours.
After 2 hours or let me just say 10 or 15 minutes, then you will not.
Okay. Then you turn the fish this way.
After turning it finish, you will not cover it.
So you turn it like it and cover it and leave it for how long?
Like 20 minutes or 15 minutes.
Like 20 or 15 minutes.
Yes.
Oh. This is Mr. Nura. He is in charge of the fish processing segment within the market.
So we're getting the fish in different places. Some of the places is Ibadan, Ilorin, and also Kanji, Niger State.
Wow.
Also in Abuja, so we are getting this small size. So the big one, now the one that are selling in the market, like 1 kg, 2 kg, and above. What the smallest one, like 1 kg, 3 1 kg, are the one that we are processing, dry and selling to our customers. We are selling in Abuja, outside Abuja, and even outside Nigeria. So.
Even outside Nigeria.
Even outside Nigeria. We are washing it, we are cleaning it, so it will be very hygienic. So it can take and go anywhere in this country.
Wow. See how big it is. Okay. Every day, the market receives 5 to 10 tons of live fish. Some are sold live to customers, while others are taken to the processing unit where they are dried and prepared for sale. Which type of fish is this one? Huh? Panla fish. This Panla fish. River, no, they are frozen now. They don't freeze them now.
No. The river one, no. You know, say, if you don't know sugar for the freezer,
Okay.
it goes spoil now.
Yeah, true.
Because you need ice block.
True.
You know, one heat.
It needs ice blocks.
That's why you go see them fresh.
Oh,
You
no.
leave them morning to evening, say, no ice block.
It will go spoil. Yeah. I also had a chance to speak to Mr. Aminu, the chairman of the live fish section, and this is what he has to say.
Thank you very much. My name is Aminu Adamu. I'm chairman Fresh Fish Sellers Association of Nigeria. You go around, you see the activity. We sell different varieties of fish in this market: pangasius, jumunacos, catfish, tilapia, nine fish, different types of fish. You can see every day the market is developing. You can see customer, you can see retailer, dealers or wholesalers. They are here. They are offloading 50 tons of catfish daily in this market. Daily.
Wow.
Yeah.
Aside from the fish processed within the market, dried fish also come from places like Borno, the Lake Chad Basin, and Kebbi. Yet, the majority of fish you see here is being processed on site, ensuring freshness and quality.
We supply right from Benue, Nasarawa, Plateau, Bauchi, Kano, Kaduna, Zamfara, Kogi. We supply them. They get their fish from this market.
Okay. Wow. Which type of fish is this? Are they catfish?
My name is Ekpesin. I'm the financial secretary. Actually, I've been here for the past 17 years.
What's the name of this type of fish? And why are they small like this?
Okay, the name of the fish is catfish or Dutch clearance in another distinct. Why they are small, they are just like human beings. The way they grow to become bigger, the little ones are the ones that we newly hatch, so they are also smaller. So they mature as time goes by, they grow just the way human beings grow.
So what's this? What's this one? Is it coloring or is their medicine?
To help them to be stronger and also boost their immune system. They will not be sick.
So that they will not be sick.
Yes.
So one thing about these fish is that they come in different sizes. So these ones are the bigger ones, bigger than what we've seen before. This is it. I have people preventing me from taking videos here in the market, but no, I don't have rats. Thank you very much. So this guy just asked me if I have rats in my house. Of course, I don't have rats in my house. So I'm just going to take the meat section. Big money. KADO Fish Market isn't just a place to buy fish. It is a vibrant community hub where traders of diverse backgrounds come together, where customers find their best produce, and where the spirit of Abuja shines through every interaction. How's business going? So if you ever find yourself in Abuja and want to experience a place that is full of life, history, and incredible food, make sure to visit the KADO Fish Market. It is more than just a market, it is a testament of the resilience and the ingenuity of people around Abuja. So guys, I believe you've seen it all and I believe you enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Give it, because this is the only way you can help me to also provide good content. So give this video a big thumbs up, a big like, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on notification button as well, so you'll be notified as soon as we drop another content on this channel. Thank you guys. Peace.